I'm off to South Goa to meet Odette Mascarenas, a local foodie and cookbook author. Odette shows me how she makes her spicy pork vindaloo recipe. It's one of the many dishes left behind by the Portuguese. You know, the pork vindaloo I've had here is far different than the stuff I've had outside Goa. It has that special punch.
And, oh, you want to know about that?
Yeah, it's the punch.
All right, this is what creates the punch.
Okay, so this is that special local vinegar.
The toddy vinegar.
Toddy vinegar, and that's from the...
The coconut tree.
Okay, so this is pork.
That is pork.
Nice fatty pork.
Yes, from the rib.
I mean, look at all that fat. I mean, I bet some people see this and they say, should I cut the fat out?
No way.
You want that fat to render and give all that good flavor. We start by salting the pork, and then Odette shows me how to make that famous local vindaloo masala. Some garlic, about 10 garlic cloves. So this is Kashmirian mirch.
If you want it nice and red and spicy, put in 10 chilies.
10? Okay, so we're gonna remove the stem.
Yes. Here we have about an inch of ginger that goes in. Then you put in the cloves.
Some cloves.
About 3 to 4. Quarter inch of the cinnamon stick. Now, turmeric powder.
So turmeric.
Turmeric.
Okay,
and
next?
then you put the jeera, the cumin seed.
Okay.
Now, you'll have to put about 3 tablespoons of your favorite. This you measure here.
We add 3 tablespoons of that local toddy vinegar. We add all the spices right into a blender. The process is long, but anything traditional, anything good takes time. It all gets blended and becomes that beautiful vindaloo masala paste. I gotta try it.
I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Boom. You said
Heat,
it. Okay.
and then vinegar.
And that's why they say Vindaloo. You're supposed to do that.
And we mix in that masala right into the fatty pork. Odette and I let the pork and the masala rest for about 2.5 hours, and now it's ready to cook. First thing is adding oil to a hot pan. These are just thinly sliced onions. Now it's about cooking the onions till they become translucent or baby pink. All the sugars come out and start giving lots of flavor to this dish. We let the onions cool. I ask why. It's tradition. Onions have cooled down.
Yes.
Now we're gonna let the pork and the masala go in. Mamma mia, it smells good. We mix the marinated pork into the onions and then back onto the stove, searing it for about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's searing, it's looking good.
Now it's time to cook it.
Okay,
Now,
water.
So water.
And that creates the gravy.
That creates gravy. 2.5 cups of water. And then we put it on a simmering flame.
The pork cooks for about 25 minutes, and then we add in a whole green chili. In total, the vindaloo cooks for about 40 minutes with the lid on, so it traps in all the steam and all the flavor. Basta. Bas. Is that bas? This looks good, good, good.
Healthy.
Healthy. My mouth should be on fire, and there's just a little tingle of heat. It's the toddy vinegar. What it does is it gives a nice, gentle, mellow, acidic hit. And it just leaves you with this really nice taste in your mouth. That vindaloo.
Did I